In Paris, the city awakes to the bells of Notre Dame. The fishermen...
Hi, this is John Pinto, Realty World Pinto and Associates with Maria Guardado, University Mortgage, to talk about everything you ever wanted to know about purchase money investor financing. So, Maria, can an investor get financing purchasing, say, 1 to 4 units?
Yes, it is available. All you need is at least 20% down payment.
20% down payment. And are investors going on adjustable rate mortgages or fixed rate mortgages or some kind of a hybrid these days?
Honestly, with the low interest rates, I do have a lot of investors going with the 30-year fixed.
Okay, very good. And is it the same criteria for 1 unit, duplex, triplex, fourplex? Is it all the same?
It's all the same, and mainly one of the key guidelines is to have your reserves for all of your investment properties.
And what kind of reserves are they looking for?
They're looking for 6 months PITI on each financed property.
Okay, very good. And what kind of a vacancy rate are they using when they're qualifying you?
They will qualify at a 75% occupancy, so vacancy of 25%.
Oh, okay, so that's pretty liberal.
Mm-hmm.
And are they looking for a particular FICO score?
Well, for the conventional financing, we can go as low as 640, but you're going to have to pay a higher interest rate. So, we can always work on your credit a little bit if we need to.
Okay, now let's talk about a little bit of a dicey situation that's going on right now. Right now, you've got a battle in the affordable price ranges in Santa Clara County. That's probably anything under $450. Where you got the first-time home buyers with 96.5% FHA financing battling the conventional investors with 20-25% down and the cash investors. And of course, the sellers, especially the banks, are very much preferring the cash investors.
Mm-hmm.
If an investor buys a property without a loan contingency, how risky is that? Because sometimes you just cannot prevail if you've got a conventional investor going up against a cash investor. How assured can an investor be that they're going to get a loan based upon their pre-approval and their own analysis of what the property is worth?
So what really is key is for that investor to be pre-approved with a reliable loan officer. And that loan officer, if they can get you a direct approval with the lender that you can have in hand, that's already been underwritten, as long as nothing has changed, you know that loan will be approved.
That's word to the wise. Now, some investors take a different tack, so let's talk about this. They say, you know what, the banks are going to give me a bigger discount if I come with a cash offer.
Mm-hmm.
So I've got the cash, I'm making the cash offer, but then I want to replenish my cash so I can do it again. What about the cash investors who buy properties, pay cash, and then want to refi and pull the cash out? Can you do that?
Of course you can, especially nowadays. They've opened up the guidelines on that as well.
And what kind of loan-to-value ratio are we looking at on that refi?
You can still do with a loan-to-value of 80%.
Really?
Yes, sir.
That's pretty good. And there's no seasoning requirement where you would have had to hold the property for a certain period of time?
Right, that's where they've opened up those guidelines.
This is a big news flash for my investors out there. So if you're an investor and you have liquid funds and you can pay cash, then you could get the cash discount price. You can close the escrow either with Maria doing a loan for you as a purchase money, even if you have no loan contingency, or you can just do a refi after close of escrow. This is good news. I think we need to send out a press release on this one, Maria.
And if I may say, we do have several lenders that will finance up to 10 properties. So the conventional is only 4 properties, but we do have several lenders that will do up to 10.
Very good, and we are ready, willing, and able to sell you those 10 properties. So this is John Pinto, Realty World Pinto and Associates, and Maria Guardado from University Mortgage, signing off for now.
Even this foul creature may yet prove one day to be of use to me.
And Frollo gave the child...